Hi. Alright. We got some things to do today. What we got to do today is trending. What's trending for a while. And it's these things. They're pretty nice. I would say they're actually pretty addicting. Just look at this. You wouldn't want to look at that all day. Also got this one. And that one's noisy too. Can't throw fidget spinners in the house, sir. Why? They're metal, and you can throw them and hurt someone. They're metal. I'm just gonna. Sir, what are you doing? Ow! Why are you throwing a fidget spinner at me? Oh, they're actually pretty addicting. Yeah, can you throw that back? Okay, thank you. Alright, so these fidget spinners, they've been trending for whole mostly 2016 and then 2017. Let's get these out of the way. All you have to do is subscribe. And like the video and comment that you want a fidget spinner. So give me